Hi, today's topic is positive attitude. Uh, so normally, if I consider positive attitude of a batsman would be dominating the bowlers and play to win, then taking the responsibility whenever it is needed. Normally, dominating the bowlers means you should be there are four aspects, like you should be mental strong, you should know your defense, and you should know which ball to leave, and obviously loose balls has to be punished. See, these four things has to be clear in your mind. Mental toughness, mental strong has to be there. Otherwise at this competition we cannot survive. Mental To improve the mental toughness, you can read books, or you can watch TV. You'll get many programs. One book which I know is a Law of Attraction, which is a very good book about the mind. So if possible you can read that. Then it is about the defense. See, when you are playing want to play long innings, then defense is very important. You should know clearly you should know like which ball to defend, and the same thing, you should know which ball to leave. When you're playing, this is also very important. Where to leave, which ball to leave, depending upon the situation, you should behave like that. The last one, as I told, you should know your areas to score runs. This is also very important. Don't go with the bowler's reputation. Go as the ball comes. If it is there to punish, you has to punish. So these things has to be clear in your mind. So it should be clear in your mind. Then the scoring runs percentage will increase in the match, and often you start scoring in the match. So above to all, the you should know yourself better. When you know yourself better, the picture will be clear in your mind. Then you can decide what to do, depending upon the situation, how to react to the situation. That is very important. So at least when if you know about yourself, then the rest of the things will become easy. If I give one example, when I used to play first division matches in Bangalore, normally we used to face some good bowlers, medium pace bowlers. So what we used to do is we used to start attacking, from ball number one. Because if we, as a batsman, if we allow those bowlers to settle down, then it will be very difficult for us to score runs. So in desperation or frustration, they used to bowl to our strength. That made us easy to score runs. So this is what we planned, but it doesn't mean that you should also plan like that. It depends. You have to do the plan which suits you. Where you are confident to score runs. So ultimately, end of the day, scoring runs will matter. So as I said, these four aspects, mentally strong has to be there. Then once you're mentally strong, no, this positive attitude also will come. The way they walk into the ground itself, it makes impression, like you can make it out compared to the other guys. So once Matthew Hayden said, if you have a positive attitude, then you feel like you're not going to lose it, and if you don't have the positive attitude, you feel like not going to get it. So that is clear. Like, if you have the positive attitude, if you are mentally strong, then you can achieve anything.